Hey guys, Logan with Shocker Hitch here. Today we're going to be converting this vertical channel Demco coupler on this Mission race trailer over to our HD air tongue with a Demco coupler. So the first step in installing the air tongue to your trailer, first we want to measure to the base of our coupler from the ground to figure out how our trailer is going to sit. So on this one, we're going to be sitting at 18 inches. Next, we want to walk over to our vehicle. We want to be able to measure to the base of the ball and get that ride height as well. So with this one, we are sitting just at 19 inches. So we need to remember those measurements to make sure that we are level after installing. So first, we're going to remove the bolts from our pre-existing coupler inside our vertical channel. Next, we're going to install the coupler onto our HD air tongue. One of the great options that's on the market is the 21K rated Easy Latch Demco coupler. This one does not require 2 through bolts. It requires the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, with the nuts to lock it in place. On the air tongue, we want to install it on the bottom 2 holes. The third one, that is for a Wallace Forge 25K rated coupler if you so choose to use that. Next, we're going to snug up our bolts. We'll finish the torquing once it's fully installed into the vertical channel. So next, we're going to install the air tongue into our channel using our grade 8 bolts. We recommend using 4 grade 8 bolts as that's going to give you the most secure fit on your trailer coupler. So if we bring our air tongue over, first we're going to put 2 in just to measure the height, just to make sure our ball coupler is where it should be at. So now that we've got this pre-installed into our trailer, we're gonna check our coupler height just to make sure it's at the original height of when we took the non-air coupler off of our trailer. So if we go and we measure from the ground to the base of our coupler, ours is at 18 inches, exactly where we took it off on our trailer. So now we're gonna install the other 2 bolts, snug everything up. So now we're going to use our torque wrench to torque down the lock nuts we recommend a nylock lock nut or a split washer to give you the best results. We're going to take our torque wrench and torque down to 100 foot-pounds. So now we're going to snug up our Demco coupler bolts. We're going to set those as well to 100 foot-pounds on our torque wrench. Next, we're going to grease our ball. This is going to help prevent wear and tear on your shocker hitch, as well as to help the shocker hitch perform optimally on the ball. So now that everything's installed, we need to lift up our trailer and back our truck up underneath and lower the trailer onto the ball. Now that everything's hooked up, we're going to check our ride height by airing up our hitch just to make sure that we're level in the back. And we just want to air it up just slightly until these lock washers are slightly compressed. Now we're going to check our trailer heights in the front and the back just to make sure our trailer is level. So we come up to the front here and we're going to measure from this point right here, the base of your frame, to the ground. We are sitting at 11 inches, and now we're going to walk to the back and do the same thing. So as you can see, we're sitting at about 13 inches in the back. We're about 2 inches unlevel in the front and the back. Now we need to adjust our ball mount to get a little higher just so the trailer rides a little more level. So now that we're hooked up and fully aired up, we're gonna go just check our ride heights again in the front and the back of the trailer just to make sure we're level. So we come to the front, we're sitting just at about 12.5 inches. Now we go to the back side, we are just at 12 inches. So about as level as we're gonna be able to get this trailer. So now we are good to go, tow, put our safety chains on and tow everything away and go down the road. With the Shocker air tongue, we can also use a lunette pinto ring as well if you so choose to use a pinto hook on the back of your pickup as opposed to a ball. Now we're going to install our lunette pinto ring on the front of our air tongue coupler. With this one, you want to use grade 8 bolts and you want to use nylock locking nuts or split lock washers. You want to tighten these to 100 foot-pounds or until there's no rattle in the nut. So now that we got everything hooked up, we're gonna hook our trailer up to our truck, make sure everything's level, and air everything up and hook our safety chains up and make sure we're good to hit the road. If you guys would like to learn more about this product, give us a call at 701-707-2666 or visit us at shockerhitch.com. Safer, smoother every mile.